As we move on to section 6, we'll be discussing about Bootstrap, and in this lesson we'll be talking about the Bootstrap basics. Bootstrap is a JS plus HTML5 plus CSS3 framework developed by Twitter that allows you to create very colorful web interfaces and with responsive design. That is, you will get your page to adapt perfectly to any device on which you open it. The most important thing about Bootstrap is its grid system, also known as grid, through a series of CSS classes, you will be able to position your content based on a 12-column system, adapting perfectly to up to 4 different resolutions. Each resolution has a CSS class associated with it. Extra small device for phones for less than 768 pixels. And the class is .col-xs- for small devices such as tablets which have at least 768 pixels. It's .col-sm for medium devices such as desktops which have at least 992 pixels. .col-md-d, and for large devices such as desktop which have at least 1200 pixels. .col-lg. To determine the number of the columns that each element will take, we will add to the classes a number of that will go from 1 to 12, being 1 the space it will take for a column and 12 corresponding to the 12 columns, that is, the entire width of the grid. For example, in the example case, we have a div with 4 classes. Less than sign div space class equals sign double quotation mark col-xs-12 space col-sm-12 space col-md-8 space col-lg-6 double quotation mark greater than sign contents of the div less than sign slash div greater than sign 1 less than sign div space class equals sign double quotation mark col-xs-12 space col-sm-12 space col-md-8 space col-lg-8 double quotation mark greater than sign contents of the div less than sign slash div greater than sign .col-xs-12 colon means that for smartphones the div will take the full width of the grid. .col-sm-12 for tablets it occupies the whole width too. .col-md-8 in medium desktops it will take 8 columns, that is 8 by 12 of the total width. .col-lg-6 in large desktops it will occupy just half. Bootstrap has a large number of classes already prepared so that you simply have to use them, and the only difficulty is knowing those classes or knowing how to look in the documentation of the page as it is called. To create a nice navigation bar, we simply have to create a box and apply a predefined class in the bootstrap.css with the name of the nav bar. Less than sign div space class equals sign double quotation mark navbar space navbar dash inverse double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign a space class equals sign double quotation mark navbar dash brand double quotation mark href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign @ media vida less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign ul space class equals sign double quotation mark nav space navbar dash nav double quotation mark greater than sign space less than sign li space class equals sign double quotation mark active double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign home less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign li greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign trip less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign li greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign travel photos less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign slash ul greater than sign less than sign slash div greater than sign. For this case, we have used navbar inverse simply because of the style. There are others predefined and we can always create our own style of the colors and so on. I recommend not touching the bootstrap.css but creating a separate .css with our modification. To create a submenu, we resort again to an already established class called dropdown, and we apply it to our new list less than sign li greater than sign, and then we create the submenu elements with the ul tags, something like this: less than sign li space class equals sign double quotation mark dropdown double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign a space class equals sign double quotation mark dropdown dash toggle double quotation mark href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark data dash toggle equals sign double quotation mark dropdown double quotation mark greater than sign submenu less than sign b space class equals sign double quotation mark caret double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign slash b greater than sign less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign dul space class equals sign double quotation mark dropdown dash menu double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign li greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign pictures less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign li greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark videos less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign slash li space class equals sign double quotation mark divider double quotation mark greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign li greater than sign less than sign a space href equals sign double quotation mark hash double quotation mark greater than sign gallery less than sign slash a greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign less than sign slash ul greater than sign less than sign slash li greater than sign. And well, there are a lot of more classes we can use. We only need to practice.